Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Describe a journey you would like to take in the future. Where would you go? How would you travel there? Why do you want to go there? In the future, I plan traveling to Japan as one of my journeys. It has always been a dream come true for me to explore this intriguing land full of rich cultures, beautiful sceneries and advanced technologies. I am convinced that Japan provides an exclusive mix of old customs as well as present-day advancements because it is an ideal destination for my prospective travel plans. There are various reasons behind my desire to embark on this journey. Japanese culture has always fascinated me, particularly with its history, food and art, among other aspects. I would like to witness several things, such as the traditional tea ceremonies, eat sushi that has been prepared by professionals, visit museums where ancient samurai artifacts are kept. Secondly, Japan is known for its scenic beauty ranging from cherry blossom season in spring to mountainous regions. For me, visiting these places would be rejuvenating and motivating. Finally, I am greatly attracted to futuristic cities in Japan, where technology is seamlessly intertwined with everyday life in some amazing ways, such as restaurants run by robots and sophisticated toilets. There are many recognizable sites that I intend to go during my visit in Japan, such as Tokyo, which is a buzzing city. The first thing I want to do there includes walking around its crowded streets, visiting eminent places like Tokyo Tower, plus going through places such as Shibuya or Akihabara. Afterwards, I will visit Kyoto, a town renowned for its stunning shrines and conventional tea houses. To begin with, the one place that makes me particularly excited about going to is Fushimi Inari Shrine, characterized by its many red torii gates. One thing that would really stand out from other activities during my journey would be visiting Japan's most renowned mountain, the Mount Fuji, through hiking around the surrounding area where you can notice amazing views. Flying would be preferred since it's usually faster and easier when traveling to Japan. Consequently, once inside this majestic country, traveling from city to city using Shinkansen bullet trains becomes a fairy tale from the book on fantasy. Getting round Japan should therefore be entertainingly fascinating, given how much punctuality and efficiency characterize our means of transport within that nation. To sum up, Japan is first on my list of places I intend visiting someday. I am convinced that it will be an unforgettable experience, combining culture, nature and modernity at best. This trip will enable me to know about a nation I have been admiring all along and leave lasting memories. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this sample answer helpful and that it gives you some ideas on how to approach this cue card topic. Remember, the key to doing well in the IELTS speaking exam is practice. So try to practice speaking on different topics as much as you can. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more IELTS tips and sample answers. Also, if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in